I'ma keep my rapping remedial as I start this up, roll down at a cruising speed. Some call me a teeny weeny, some call me tiny. You come and see me, you will find that I am really mighty. Keeping it steady, not trying to draw any police attention. Sunglasses dark like I'm a spy on a super secret mission. You know my name before the early morning bird edition. You wanna know why? You wanna know why? Because I'm gonna run over this big dumb world. Because I'm gonna run over this big dumb world. You better move it, motherfucker. I'm gonna run over this big dumb world. Because I'm gonna run over this big dumb world. But first I'm gonna dance. Yeah, baby, this is the place to be. Right out here in the woods where there's absolutely no psychopaths in hockey masks. This next verse goes out to them two squirrels dancing naked in that damn tree. Oh, cut through the forest, there's no cops or gas or even roads. Had to break a stick over my knee to make a microphone. My name is blowing up, don't stand too close, you might explode. You wanna know why? Ha ha, you wanna know why? Because I'm gonna run over this big dumb world. Because I'm gonna run over this big dumb world. You better move it, motherfucker. I'm gonna run over this big dumb world. Because I'm gonna run over this big dumb world. But let me break it down. Hey, baby, would you like a ride? My gangster lean runs on pure electricity. So climb in and tell me, what's your name? Who's your daddy? Is he rich like me?